Hindi film actor Saif Ali Khan has been stabbed 6 times. Neck and spine injuries have been confirmed. He was attacked in what appears to be a burglary attempt at the house, inside the residence. And now, information coming in that the intruder was found inside the children's bedroom, where Taimur and Jay bedroom is where Saif Ali Khan encountered this unfriendly intruder. That is where a confrontation happened. We are told, according to our information, the child's nanny also had woken up. They tried to pacify this individual who had managed to make an entry. Remember, inside the children's bedroom. This is the latest information coming to us right now, that this confrontation that has happened and the kind of injuries reported on Saif is because the intruder was in the children's bedroom, and likely, of course, as a father, he did his best to save his family, and especially the two little boys. Mustafa Sheikh is on the ground right outside the house. Let's dip into what he's saying.
सैफ अली खान की मेड हो या फिर वो शख्स को अगर किसी ने भागते हुए देखा होगा तो वो चीज, ये सारी चीजें हैं जो कंपाउंड वॉल की हम बात कर रहे थे। आपको इस वक्त उस पुलिस टीम उस वीडियो बना रही है कंपाउंड वॉल का। आप देखिए कि किस तरह का कंपाउंड वॉल यहाँ पर है, यानी कि एक बिल्डिंग से दूसरी बिल्डिंग। जी बिल्कुल, सैफ अली खान इस बिल्डिंग में टॉप फ्लोर पर पेंट हाउस उनका है, 7 माले पे, ऐसा बात सामने आ रही है। टॉप फ्लोर पे उनका जो घर है वो आप कह सकते हैं वहां पर सैफ अली खान का इस बिल्डिंग में है। स्टैंड अलोन ये बिल्डिंग है, इसकी कंपाउंड वॉल इसको हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं। पुलिस कर्मी जो है यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं, वो असेस कर रहे हैं यही चीज कि वो शख्स जो है वो कहाँ से आया होगा। उसके साथ साथ अगर आप देख पाएंगे तो राइट हैंड साइड पे सीसीटीवी कैमरा भी दिख रहा है। जिस गेट से हम लोग दिख रहे हैं वहां पर सीसीटीवी कैमरा है, वो चालू है या नहीं, ये एक सवाल रहेगा। लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं आप कह सकते हैं कि जो बालकनीज है वो काफी ओपन बालकनीज इस बिल्डिंग की हैं, लेकिन इसके कहीं सिक्योरिटी जो है वो मैनेज की गई होगी, ये सामने चीज आती है। तो पहली बात तो कंपाउंड वॉल जो हमको दिख रही है एक दो बिल्डिंग के बीच की, काफी छोटी है। इस तरह का एक बात सामने आ रही है।
Bringing us the ground report. That's the residence. It's a building clearly, and on one of the top floors where Saif Ali Khan, Kareena Kapoor Khan and their two children, and of course their entourage of their, whether it's staff, house help, other security, all of them reside. So then what exactly happened? Who possibly made an entry with a clear attempt, as it appears now, to target the children, to go after Taimur and Jay? Because remember, that's when we are told that is where the confrontation has happened, that Saif Ali Khan has been repeatedly stabbed when he tried to push away the intruder. Mustafa Sheikh
अंदर का है या फिर घर में अक्सर आता जाता है, उसी शख्स की वजह से आप कह सकते हैं कि फोर्स्ड एंट्री जिसे कहते हैं, यानी कि कुछ तोड़कर अंदर घुसना, वो नहीं हुआ है। यानी कि वो शख्स जो है वो जान पहचान का था, इनसाइडर था, इसलिए क्या वो घर तक पहुंच पाया आसानी से, और उसके बाद की जो घटना हुई है वो तो साफ है। लेकिन वही चीज रहेगी तो फिर वो शख्स कौन है? अगर सिक्योरिटी गार्ड ये कह रहे हैं कि वो शख्स कोई भी अनजान व्यक्ति उस समय पर रात को अंदर नहीं घुसा है, तो फिर ये चीज को और आप कह सकते हैं कि पुलिस को जांच करनी पड़ेगी कि कौन है वो शख्स जो जानता था और उसने ये हमला किया और क्यों किया है, किसके साथ उसकी लड़ाई थी, उसकी क्या इंटेंशन थी। फिर से एक बार बिल्डिंग जो है वो दिखा देते हैं आपको। पुलिस टीम जो है यहाँ पर दिखाई दे रही है और तहकीकात करते हुए। तो एक बड़ा चैलेंज इस वक्त मुंबई पुलिस के लिए कि जल्द से जल्द उस शख्स को पकड़ा।
So that is what the senior officials, likely of course, are on the ground right now. And what Mustafa is telling us is very important. Remember that this is an apartment at a height, possibly a safe, secure one, where you cannot just enter into the residence. Now, according to information coming in, was there a certain duct through which the man managed to make an entry and then go into the children's bedroom? And two, that was this if not a forced entry, was someone else involved in the entry of this intruder? Because then that raises the question of who possibly allowed an entry of an individual that wanted to harm the family, especially the children. And just imagine that at 2 a.m., where Saif Ali Khan wakes up to some noise, where a house help is also confronting someone, and that man is in the children's bedroom. That's when the scuffle happens and Saif Ali Khan stabbed repeatedly. And when you're hit in the neck and the spine, that clearly means the intruder wanted much more and target much more with regard to who he was attacking. Vidya, meanwhile, is at the hospital at Leelavati. Vidya, I understand there must be full-on security barriers there right now. What are the details? What time was Saif Ali Khan brought to the hospital? And what are you hearing from the top administration management of the hospital there?
Well, soon after the incident, since he was bleeding heavily, the family rushed him to Lilavati. In fact, what is being said is that he suffered 6 injuries, like some on the neck, some on the shoulders. At the moment, there are ways to make sure that this entire wound that he has suffered, that gets healed. And remember, he's an actor who certainly wouldn't want a gash showing on his face or on his neck. It would be of prime importance. So that's one of the reasons why they'll have to make sure that the wounds are healed at the earliest, with it leaving no mark, so that it doesn't. Of course, the family is traumatized. There is the trauma will certainly take time to heal, but they are hoping that the wounds that he has suffered, those are healed at the earliest.
Very concerning. Vidya, stay on with me. And do you have information about who all are presently by his side at the hospital? I am sure that Kareena would be there. Any other information coming in on that front?
Well, the family members certainly are there, because remember, Saif, when he had suffered the incident, he was immediately rushed to the hospital. He was heavily bleeding. There was blood all over his, shoulder. It is being said that, immediately he was taken into emergency the moment he came. In the middle of the night, this entire incident had happened. So when they came here, he was taken into emergency. The doctors started treating. And remember, he is someone who has a lot of fan followings, and he certainly has a huge team also, who are all praying right now that he recovers at the earliest. But certainly his family is by his side to ensure that whatever needs to be taken care of at this emergent time, that's done.